Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation? Solution from here. And what we have here, you take the log on both sides. That is, here we have log 8 raised to power x equals to log 100 on this side. And here we apply the power law of logarithm. When we have log m raised to power p, this same thing as p log m. That is, here we have x log 8 equals to log 100 from here. Then here we divide both sides by log 8. That is, divide this side by log 8. Also divide this side by log 8. That is, here log 8 cancel each other. We have x equals to log 100 over log 8. The next step here, we can express 100 as 4 times 25. That is, here we have x equals to log 4 times 25 over log 8. That is, this follows the law of logarithm. When we have log a times b, the same thing as log a plus log b. That is, here we have x equals to log 4 plus log 25 over log 8. Then next step here, separate this into two fractions and we have x equals to log 4 over log 8 plus log 25 over log 8. That is, from here, 4 can be expressed as 2 times 2, that's 2 squared. And also 8 can be expressed as 2 times 2 times 2, that's 2 cubed. Then what we have here becomes x equals to log 2 squared over log 2 cubed plus log 5 squared over log 2 cubed. Then here we apply the power law of logarithm. This 2 comes here, 3 comes here, 2 comes here, also 3 comes here, and we have x equals to 2 log 2 over 3 log 2 plus, here also we have 2 log 5 over 3 log 2. This from here, log 2 cancel each other. This becomes x equals to 2 over 3 plus, here we have 2 over 3 multiplied by log 5 over log 2. That is, we apply change of base here. When we have log a over log b, this is the same thing as log a to base b. Then what we have becomes x equals to 2 over 3 plus 2 over 3 times log 5 base 2. Then here we bring this together as one fraction. We have x equals to, yes, same here, that's 3. Here becomes 2 plus 2 log 5 base 2. That is, we have the value of x here as 2 plus 2 log 5 base 2 all over 3. Then let's check here. If this satisfies this given problem, that is, we substitute the value of x here, which is x equals to 2 plus 2 log 5 base 2 all over 3. That is, what we have here becomes 8 raised to power 2 plus 2 log 5 base 2 all over 3 is it equals to 100 on this side. Then from here, we can write it as 2 raised to power 3, which is raised to power 2 plus 2 log 5 base 2 all over 3 Is it equals to 100 on this side? At this here, this power multiplies. 3 here cancel each other. We have 2 raised to power 2 plus 2 log 5 raised to. Is it equals to 100 on this side? Then, next step here. This follows the law of indices. When we have a raised to power n plus n, this same thing as a raised to power n times a raised to power n. As this here we have 2 squared times 2 raised to power 2 log 5 raised to. This equals to 100 on this side. And here 2 squared, 2 times 2, that's 4, 10 times. Here we reverse this 12 from power log. We have 2 raised to power log 5 squared raised to. Is it equals to 100 on this side? That is, here we have 4 times 2 raised to power log 5 squared, that's 25 raised to. Is it equals to 100 on this side? Then this follows when we have a raised to power log b to base a, which is the same thing as b. That is, here we have 4 times 25. Is this equals to 100 on this side? 4 times 25 here give us 100, which is equals to 100 from here. That is, left hand side equals to the right hand side. And therefore, we conclude here that x equals to 2 plus 2 log 5 is 2 all over 3. Satisfy this given problem. And thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps. Subscribe for more videos and turn notification bell on. Share this video, give it a thumbs up, and put your comment. See you next class and bye for now.